For this chard recipe, we will be using half a fennel bulb, 2 carrots, a third to half a cauliflower, and a full bunch of chard, which is usually 5 to 6 leaves. We will be adding a couple more vegetables later on. Coarsely chop half of the fennel. Cut the carrot in small strips, or use a mandoline if you have one. Cut the cauliflower in small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to your pan. Fry those 3 vegetables for 8 to 10 minutes. Add half a cup of green pea and put the lid on and cook for 5 minutes. Cut the chard and add it to the pan. Cook it with the lid on until wilted. Add 1 cup of corn kernel and some salt and pepper and warm up for a few minutes, and it's done. For this second chard recipe, we're going to make a curry. Wash and cut your potatoes and cook them in water by themselves. I have here some new potatoes, so I'm not going to peel them. And now we're going to chop half a white onion. Fry the onion in grapeseed oil for 5 minutes. Wash your chard and remove the inner stalk of each of the 6 leaves of your bunch of chard. Finely chop those few stalks and add them to the pan. Peel and cut some fresh ginger. We will need 2 teaspoons of it. Now chop your 6 leaves of chard. Add your 2 teaspoons of ginger to the pan and fry for a couple of minutes. Then add 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seed and 2 teaspoons of curry powder and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the chard and fry lightly until wilted. Now add 1 cup of peas, the cooked potatoes, and half a cup of water. Season with salt and put the lid on and cook until the peas are cooked. Now this last ingredient will really enhance the taste of this dish. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice.